Hello, in this video I will show you how to check if your eSIM is active on your iPhone 15. So the simple way to check if your eSIM is active is simply by looking here. You should see here your network bars, but as you can see in my case there are none. So to check if you have eSIM active on your iPhone, you can click on settings and then click on mobile, and here as you can see I don't have any SIM in this phone, so my eSIM is not active. Normally if you have your eSIM active here, you would see just some eSIM settings as you would see on your regular SIM. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.